बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई होप यू विल बी फाइन। पिछली वीडियो में हमने बात की थी कि जो लोग कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी का इरादा रखते हैं या जो अपनी बेसिक इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें कहाँ से स्टार्ट लेना चाहिए। उसमें मैंने काफ़ी डिटेल में बताया था कि उन्हें कहाँ से स्टार्ट लेना चाहिए और उसमें मैंने बहुत सारी टिप्स का भी जिक्र किया था। आप उस वीडियो का लिंक जो है वो इधर या डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगा, वहाँ पर जो है वो आप जाकर वो वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं। उस वीडियो में हमने इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करने के 6 इंग्रेडिएंट्स का जिक्र किया था और उसको हमने 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया था, जिसमें से एक पार्ट पर जो है वो आज हम काम करने वाले हैं। तो वो जो ये पहला पार्ट है वो है रीडिंग, वोकैबुलरी और ग्रामर को बेहतर करने का। तो उसके लिए हम एक सीरीज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम है लर्न इंग्लिश थ्रू स्टोरीज, यानी कि इंटरटेनमेंट और लर्निंग साथ साथ। तो आज की इस वीडियो में जो स्टोरी मैंने सेलेक्ट की है वो है रिच मैन एंड पुअर मैन। इस स्टोरी के टोटल 5 चैप्टर हैं और आज की इस वीडियो में हम सिर्फ 3 चैप्टर को जो है वो रीड करेंगे। और आपका काम क्या है? आपका काम है कि आपने उस स्टोरी को बड़े गौर से सुनना है और उसमें से वर्ब्स को और अनफेमिलियर वर्ड्स को जो है वो अपनी डायरी पर लिख लेना है और उनके वर्ड्स के मीनिंग तलाश करने के बाद आपने जो है वो उस पर अपना एक कॉन्सेप्ट बनाकर उनकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है। तो चलिए आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं और स्टोरी को रीड करते हैं।
A story is Rich Man, Poor Man. Chapter number 1. A letter for Adam. One day a postman came to my village. The postman brought me a letter from my son Saul. Is your name Adam? The postman asked. Yes, I said. I have got a letter for you. The postman read the envelope. Adam of the village of Minta. A letter for me. Who is it from? I asked. The postman looked at the envelope again. From Saul, he said. He gave me the letter and walked away. Martha, Martha, I called to my wife. Come here. We have a letter from our son Saul. Martha came out and looked at the letter. She was excited, but she was also worried. A letter from Saul. She said, Is he alive and well? I'm going to find the school teacher. He can read the letter. There was no school 50 years ago. So I can't read or write. I live in a small village. The only work is farming. My only son Saul left the village 2 years ago, and my 3 daughters are married. Saul is making a lot of money in a foreign country. Martha and the school teacher came back. A lot of other people came. Everyone wanted to hear my letter. The school teacher opened the envelope and read the letter. 20 Tilrow Street, London E. 19 England 16 March. Dear Father, I am living in London. I have a job in a factory. The work is very hard. I often work at night, but the pay is good. I am well and I live with people from my country. I am sending you £100 in this letter. This is for you and my mother. Love to you and my mother. Saul. £100, I said to the school teacher. You are wrong. It's a mistake. No, the school teacher said. I'm not wrong. It's not a mistake. Here is the money. And he gave me a piece of paper. What is this? I asked. A money order, the school teacher said. Go to Darpur. Take this money order to the post office in Darpur. The money order is worth £100. The post office official will give you the money. £100. I said again. Everyone laughed and said, Adam, you are a rich man. You can buy many things for your farm and for your house, and I can buy some good food and drink in Darbar. I am going to give a party for you all, I told my friends. Martha said, Saul is a good son. That evening, the village people talked about the money order and my money. Martha and I also talked about the money. We needed many things for the farm. Chapter number 2. Adam goes to Darpur. The next morning I got up very early. It was dark and everyone was asleep, but I was going to Darpur. I washed and dressed carefully. I put on my best clothes and I carried my best stick. I put the money order carefully in my pocket and I said goodbye to Martha. I walked 10 miles to the main road. I sat down at the main road and ate my breakfast. I waited for the bus. I waited for 2 hours. Then the bus came and I got on. It is a long way to Darpur. The bus takes 3 hours. I arrived in Darpur and walked to the post office immediately. I don't often go to Durbar. I only know the market and one shop. This is the shop of Rick. I buy things for my farm from Rick. There were a lot of people in the post office. I asked about money orders. A man showed me the key. There was a long line of people and I waited at the back. Finally, it was my turn. I was at the front of the queue, but the official did not serve me. Excuse me, I said. It's my turn. I'm next. You are next, old man. I'm very busy, the official said. Look at my papers. Look at all these people. I'm very busy and you must wait. So I waited. Finally, the official looked at me. What do you want? He asked. I gave him my money order. This is my money order for £100. I replied. The official held out his hand. Identity card, he said. Excuse me, I don't understand. I replied. Your identity card, the official said again. Give me your identity card. What is an identity card? I asked. I can't give you any money for this money order. First, I must see your identity card. Your identity card gives your name and your address. Your identity card describes you. There is a photograph of you in your identity card. I don't know you. Who are you? The official was a little angry, but I was also angry. Who am I? I said, everyone knows me. I'm Adam of the village of Minta. I have not got an identity card and I don't need an identity card. Old man, I'm very busy and you are very stupid. The official said, who are you? Where is Minta? Give me my money. Give me my £100, I said. The official looked angry and said, "Show me your identity card. I don't know you." The official gave back my money order and he turned away. "Where can I buy an identity card?" I asked the official. He did not speak to me. He did not answer. "Go to the Ministry of the Interior," a man said. He was standing in the queue and he told me the way.
आई होप कि आप स्टोरी को जो है वो बहुत इंजॉय कर रहे होंगे और इन 2 चैप्टर्स में आपने अभी तक क्या देखा है कि अभी जो है वो ओल्ड मैन के साथ क्या होने वाला, अभी वो फोटोग्राफर के पास जाएगा और उसके बाद वहाँ पर उसके साथ क्या होने वाला है। तो आई होप कि आप स्टोरी को बड़ा गौर से सुन रहे होंगे और आप उसमें से वर्ब्स को भी फाइंड करेंगे और अनफेमिलियर वर्ड्स को भी आपने लिख लिया होगा अपनी डायरी पर। अगर नहीं लिखा तो आप दोबारा जाएं और उस वीडियो को जो है वो फिर शुरू से देखें और उसमें से अनफेमिलियर वर्ड्स को जो है वो सर्च करें। तो चलिए तीसरे चैप्टर की तरफ।
Chapter number 3, An Identity Card. I walked to the Ministry of the Interior. I waited in another queue. I spoke to another official. I asked for an identity card. "Fill in this application form," the official said, "and bring the form and 3 photographs of yourself and £2. Come back tomorrow." "Tomorrow?" I said. "Can I have an identity card today? I live in Minta. I live 5 hours journey from Darpur. I'm an old man." "Yes, come back tomorrow." And the official turned away. I walked away from the Ministry of the Interior. I walked to the market. At the market, I looked at everyone. I was looking for a man from my village, but I could not find a villager. So then I walked to the shop of Rick. I spoke to Rick. "I want an identity card," I told him, "but I need 3 photographs of myself." "I see, you need some photographs," and he showed me the way to a photographer. I found the house. The photographer was asleep, but he came to me quickly. The man's clothes were dirty and he looked tired. "I need an identity card." I said, "I want 3 photographs of myself." "Yes, you want 3 photographs of yourself," the photographer replied, "and I take very good photographs. Come and see my camera." We walked into his room. In the middle of the room was a large camera. "This is the best camera in Darpur. This camera is very, very good," the photographer said proudly. "I have never seen a camera." I said, "I don't know about cameras." "Hurry up and take a photograph of me." "Please don't hurry me, old man," the photographer said. "I'm an artist," and he gave me a mirror and a comb. "I don't want a mirror. I don't want a comb. Please take my photograph. I'm going to Minta this afternoon, and I'm in a hurry," I said. "Yes," he said, "but what's the price? This is the best camera in Darpur, and I'm the best photographer." 3 photographs will cost you £2.50. £2.50, and I laughed. £2.50 and pay me now, please," the photographer answered. I did not know the price of photographs. What could I do? Then the photographer said, "You are an old man. For you, the price is £2." So I gave him the money and he took the photographs. "Come back tomorrow morning," he said. "I want my 3 photographs now." "Immediately," I said. "Don't be stupid," the photographer said. "Photographs take 24 hours. Come back tomorrow." What could I do? So I said, "Yes, tomorrow morning." "Good," said the photographer. Now go, I have a lot of work. I'm very busy. I went back to the bus station. I sat on the bus for 3 hours. I walked 10 miles back to my village. It was night time and I was very tired. Martha and my friends were waiting for me. Where is the money? Martha asked. I have no money. I can't change the money order. First, I must an identity card. And I told Martha everything. Tomorrow I am going to Darfur again, I said. Then I did not talk again. I was very tired and it was late at night. I lay on my bed and I slept.
जी, तो आज की जो हमारी रीडिंग है वो हो चुकी है कंप्लीट और हमने रिच मैन एंड पुअर मैन स्टोरी का जो है वो 3 चैप्टर जो है वो रीड कर लिए हैं। बाकी 2 चैप्टर हैं। आई होप कि आपने स्टोरी को बड़ा एंजॉय किया होगा और नेक्स्ट 2 चैप्टर में क्या होने वाला है उसके लिए भी आप बड़ी बेचैनी से वेट करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो का। लेकिन सबसे पहले आपको जो है वो अपनी असाइनमेंट याद रखनी है। आपने इन 3 चैप्टर्स में से जो वर्ब्स निकाले हैं और जो अनफेमिलियर वर्ड निकाले हैं आपने उसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है। इसके अलावा आपने एक और काम करना है कि आपने इन 3 चैप्टर्स पर एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है कि आप अभी तक की स्टोरी के बारे में क्या जान पाए हैं। इससे क्या होगा कि आपकी राइटिंग स्किल भी जो है वो साथ साथ बेहतर होती चली जाएगी और आपकी जो वोकेबलरी है वो भी इन्हांस होगी और आपने जो वर्ड्स वहाँ से निकाले होंगे उनकी प्रैक्टिस आप बार बार करेंगे तो वो वर्ड्स जो है वो आपकी प्रैक्टिस में आ जाएंगे और आप उसको जो है वो अनकॉन्शियसली जो है वो अब यूज़ करना शुरू कर देंगे। तो आई होप कि आज की वीडियो को आपने एंजॉय किया होगा। अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बाकी 2 चैप्टर्स को रीड करने के लिए मैं जल्दी हाजिर होती हूँ। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो आप इसको मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करें कि अभी हमें अपने वीडियोस में और क्या चेंजिंग लानी चाहिए। सो आज के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफिज़।